Asuntoskäyhtiö Kaunisharju.
Today is the 23rd of June 2022. We have Kirstinmäki, Kirstibacken. 11 stakes be here in Kirstinmäki, Kirstibacken in Suvela. Södrik, Espoon keskus, Espoo centrum in Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Nyland, Finland. And I filmed the staircase yesterday. Capacity is 4 so 305 grams. It was built in 1972 and must have been in early 1972. Turning 50 years old this year, 2022, by Kone with having 8 pictures. Its number is H25980 in Swedish finish. Everything here, also the occupied lights included. Capacity is 4 2020, as it's going to be second this year in 2022. Let's take 2 rides here. So it's 6 floors. It's amazing.
Tippaa kiva iskuttaa. Me eteenpäin sinne.
I'm going to check the alarm bell on the first floor.
That's